Today I'm going to show you how to make this moist banana bread with chocolate chips. This recipe makes 2 loaves, so you can cut it in half if you only want 1 loaf. If you have bananas laying around that look like this, or they're turning brown or mushy, that's the perfect bananas for this recipe. We're also adding chocolate chips and walnuts. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Grease and flour your bread loaf pans. In your stand mixer, cream together 1 cup of butter, 1.5 cups of sugar, until that's creamed together. Next, I'm adding 6 bananas to a bowl, and you're going to use a fork and smash those bananas until they are the consistency of chunky applesauce. After that is all mixed, we're going to add that into the stand mixer with our creamed butter and sugar. And we're also going to add 4 eggs and mix that until blended. After that, I'm scraping the bottom and sides of my bowl and adding in 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of baking soda, and mix until blended. After that's all mixed, we're going to add in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Also, I'm doing 1 heaping cup of walnuts. I'm going to mix that and then add in a little, maybe 3/4 cup of mini chocolate chips. My kids love chocolate chips in their banana bread, and I had some on hand, so. Then we're going to pour it into our loaf pans and top them with some more chocolate chips. And we're gonna put it in the oven for 55 to 60 minutes. I think mine took about 55 minutes. Or until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. Let your banana bread rest for about 10 minutes before you transfer it to a wire rack. Here I'm cutting into the bread. We're gonna see how delicious it looks inside. It's so moist, it's so soft and delicious. Thanks again for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button and share it with your friends. Have a great day.